Hi, this is RMAN. In this tutorial, you will learn to create an Oracle 11g RMAN catalog. To do this, we will first create a tablespace for the RMAN user. We will then create the RMAN user and grant privileges to the RMAN user, and then create the catalog via the RMAN command line utility. We will then register an Oracle 10g database with the catalog and finish off by taking a backup on disk. We will be using an Oracle 11g 64-bit database for the RMAN repository. It is installed on CentOS 5.3, and a target database will be an Oracle 10g 32-bit database on Windows. I have two sessions here. I will use the session on the left to create the tablespace, the RMAN user, and then for granting the privileges. The session on the right, I am going to use it for creating the catalog using the RMAN binary. Let us start with creating the tablespace first. Let me set the Oracle SID to Aura 11g. This is our database. I'm using Oracle ASM and I have a disk group called Aura DG. So I'll be creating the tablespace RMAN_TBS in this particular DG. Size I'll leave it as 100 MB. Extent management will be local. Segment space management auto. I've created the tablespace now. Let me create the user. RMAN TBS. Temporary tablespace will be temp. Grant the privileges, connect and resource, and recovery catalog owner to RMAN. Connect resource recovery underscore catalog underscore owner to RMAN. Now let me see username, comma tablespace. Now let me go to the Oracle home /bin. There is a binary called RMAN here. So let me set the Oracle SID here too and connect to the RMAN catalog and just type create catalog over here. Once this is done, we will go to session 1 and see if there are any objects created in the RMAN repository. Okay, we have 142 objects. Let's select something from say rc_database. Obviously there are no records in this particular view because we have no databases which have been registered right now. We will learn more about these views in a future tutorial on RMAN. Right now let us proceed and create a registration for Oracle 10g database on Windows. Before we register the Oracle 10g database, we need to ensure that there is connectivity between the Oracle 10g target database and the RMAN repository. I have already added one entry for Aura 11g as follows. Let me just check the connectivity of this. Okay, I am able to connect. Let me select a few tables. Yes, I am able to connect properly. Let me now use the RMAN.exe. I just need to register the database over here. A few seconds and the registration is complete. So we are done with the registration now. Now let us go to the other RMAN session and query the rc_database view. As you can see, there is one entry for the Aura 10g database in this particular view. Let's take a backup of this database now. The show all command will show you the entire settings for the RMAN. Currently we don't have a destination for device type disk, so let us proceed and configure the channel format to e:/backup/aura 10g_%u. Once this is configured, I can open another command window and let me see, there's a directory called e:/backup. Let me start my backup like this. Coming back here, I can see that the backup is happening now. If you go back to the let's now come back to the RMAN session and see what has happened, what has been added to this catalog rather. You can see that the catalog has new information about the backup. So this is how you create a catalog for RMAN and register a database and take a backup. If you have any queries, you can always log on to www.oraclemasters.in and post your queries. Thank you.